In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a blank page in your PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and let's get your document ready to edit. Up in the upper left corner, click the menu. Depending on your version, this might appear as the word file or as a small icon with 3 lines. From that menu, choose Open. This brings up your file browser. Navigate to the PDF you want to edit, select it, and click Open again. Acrobat will load the file so you can work on it. Once the PDF is open, take a look at the interface. We're heading to the Tools area. You'll typically see tools listed along the left side or as a tab that opens a panel of options. Find and click Organize Pages. This switches your view to a grid of page thumbnails and a toolbar designed specifically for rearranging, inserting, or removing pages. Within Organize Pages, look for the page options in the toolbar. You should see an option labeled Blank Page. Click that. When you do, a small pop-up will appear with a few simple choices. This is where you control exactly where the new blank page goes and how many you want to add. First, choose the location. Acrobat lets you insert the new page relative to an existing page. So decide whether you want it to appear before or after a specific page. For example, if you want a blank note page right after your title page, select the title page and pick After. If you're adding a separator before a new section, choose Before. Next, type in how many blank pages you need. 1 is common, but you can add multiple at once if you're building space for notes, signatures, or section dividers. When your choices look right, click OK. Acrobat will insert the blank page or pages exactly where you specified. You'll see them appear immediately in the thumbnail grid. If you change your mind about placement, you can easily drag the new page to a different position right here in Organize Pages. If you need to verify the result, click on a thumbnail to preview that page and make sure the flow of your document looks correct. A quick tip as you work. Interface labels and panel positions may vary slightly between Acrobat versions, but the Organize Pages tool and the blank page option are consistently available in this workspace. If you ever don't see them, make sure you're in the Organize Pages view. That's all there is to it. You've inserted a blank page into your PDF and placed it exactly where you need it, all within a few clicks.